attracted to the magnet. ये कैसा होता है? नाम से होता है. What can get into the chitta to make it Krishna clean? Only Krishna can get in to make it Krishna clean. Dear devotees, मेरी विनती है, पदे पदे मेरी विनती है. Krishna clean is not too far for us. All of us, we are in that. Harinam ka hai. It means, very Shalishri Ram Prabhu, he asks, how do we know? Like, oh, it was some.
Yeah, there's something there, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, on the concrete, that's this building. The whole space is left for So, yeah, this.
They're probably being watched,
Huh?
but it's okay.
No problem.
Yeah, yeah.
When they come, they will ask.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Krishna clean. Krishna clean should be our prarthana. And it is only possible with Krishna in the Nama. When Krishna gets into Chitta, he does the Krishna clean. So where do we go for Krishna clean?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So this, how fast is that Krishna clean happening? It's directly proportional to your desire, to our desire. Haribol, to our yearning, to our prayer. And now we know किसको पुकारना है, कैसे पुकारना है. Yeah. एक थोड़ा सा कृष्ण क्लीन होता तो then देख लेना. Nobody can stop you. You will have no excuse. You will not hear anything. You will not see anything. Driving होते तो buffaloes आता है. And people, they crosswalk. You don't see anything. You just clear your way. You go. We have to come to that spot in Bhakti. थोड़ा सा हरी बोल. Yes, Gaura. Yeah. Hari. तो वो. Yes. This is Krishna clean study here.
Yes.
पक्का. अब आंसर वेग नहीं होना. किसी आंसर को भक्ति ऑफ कोर्स भक्ति इज ए बिग अम्ब्रेला. भक्ति में व्हाट स्पेसिफिक. ओके, भक्ति यहाँ से ए टू जी एवरीथिंग. भक्ति अभासा भक्ति अपराधा टू शुद्ध भक्ति इज ऑल भक्ति. बट भक्ति में क्या है? कृष्ण क्लीन होने के लिए क्या?
Krishna नाम.
What will make us Krishna clean? Only Krishna in the Nama. Yeah. Our goal is only to become Krishna clean. We don't have to worry about how much dirt is there. कितना कृष्ण क्लीन हो रहा है, कितना कृष्ण 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 हो रहा है. बस है ना माता जी? So then you don't have to put any efforts. We don't put any efforts. अब सुनना है क्या, अब सोचना है क्या. I'm chanting but my mind is going anywhere. वो सब नहीं होता है. When we are praying for Krishna clean, we will see that we will then Krishna becomes such a strong magnet. Rama becomes such a strong magnet. And here we are, an iron filament. इतना खींचता है. Strong magnet iron को. Does the iron piece, does it struggle hard to go to magnet? It is difficult for the iron piece not to go for magnet. ऐसा होता है. एक theory नहीं है. Oh, this is sometime, when after I cross this anartha nivritti, I don't know when that nishtha will come. And then maybe, नहीं. ये यहाँ की plan है, यहाँ की talk है. It's not. So, Nama Krishna ki. Hare Krishna. What happens? Radhika Ranjana Rasa Rasayana Radha Kunda Kunja Bihari
Radhika Ranjana Rasa Rasayana Radha Kunda Kunja Bihari
Rama Krishna Hari Madhava Narahari Matsadi Gana Avatari
Rama Krishna Hari Madhava Narahari Matsadi Gana Avatari.
Because the Chitta is Krishna Kali. When we hear Radhika Ranjana, you don't need a 3-hour Krishna Katha for that. Nama will reveal what that Radhika Ranjana means. Not that we have to read n number of books. Nama will reveal along with the mellows. Who is Radhika? How is Shyama Sundara Radhika Ranjana? Nama will reveal. Because Nama is
Dham.
Radhika Ranjana Rasa Rasayana Radha Kunda Kunja Bihari
Radhika Ranjana Rasa Rasayana Radha Kunda Kunja Bihari.
Shyama will not go any far from Radha Kunda. He cannot go. Can the sun go far from sunlight? We laugh, right? Ye kya hai? What is it? Sun going far from sunlight? If Brajrani is here, she would look at me. What is Mataji talking? Sun going far from sunlight. The sun. So can Krishna go far from Shri Radhika? Can sunlight go far from sun? ये क्या लॉजिक है? इसीलिए राधा and Krishna are inseparable. Sun and sunlight inseparable. How much Shri Radhika longs to be with Shyama Sundara. How much does the sunlight wants to be with the sun? ये क्या बात है? Sunlight wants to be with the sun. Of course, sunlight will be with the sun. Radha Kunda Kunja Bihari
Radhika Ranjana Rasa Rasayana Radha Kunda Kunja Bihari
Rama Krishna Hari Madhava Narahari Matsadi Gana Avatari
Rama Krishna Hari Madhava Narahari Rasadi Gana Avatari.
and Nanda Krishna Govinda Vamana Shri Madhusudana Yadava Chandra Vanamali
Govinda Vamana Sri Madhusudana Yadava Chandra Vanamali
Govinda Madhava Shri Madhusudana Yadava Chandra Vanamali
Govinda Madhava Sri Madhusudana Yadava Chandra Vanamali.
Gaurachandra, when he hears this, Govinda Vamana Shri Madhusudana, he would ecstatically dance. Because Gaurachandra is Shrimati Radharani. One word of Govinda can make Gaurachandra dance in ecstasy. So, how much Gaurachandra, Gaura Gaura. Oh, love you too, Gaura Gaura. Yes, yes, yes. How much of ecstasy would Gaurachandra have Srimati Radharani have just hearing? You know what it means like? Govinda Vamana Shri Madhusudan. If you imagine we did not drink anything the whole day, itna thirsty hai, and heat, and the sweating itna hua, the whole water content is gone. Okay? How much are we looking for the water? अगर अब कोई ठंड पानी दे दे तो then how do we drink? Govinda Vamana Shri Madhusudana Yadava Chandravana Mali
Govinda Madhava Shri Madhusudana Yadava Chandravana Mali.
Chitta becomes Krishna clean, it becomes a chakora, the chakora boy. Can't wait to hear. Can't wait to hear, and it is never enough. Kaliya Shatana Gokula Ranjana Radha Bhajana Sukashali
Kaliya Sadana Gokula Ranjana Radha Bhajana Sukashali.
Harinamatuva Aneka Swarupa
Harinamatuva Aneka Swarupa.
Where is all this happening? Radhika Ranjana Govinda Vamana Kaliya Shatana. Where is all this happening?
Harinam.
Is Nama just in the air? There is so much substance in the Nama. So much substance in the Nama. So much substance with the rasa in the Nama. Acharya Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Why is Bhugarbha Goswami is gone into Bhugarbha underground for 3-day bhajan? He doesn't want any disturbance from outside. Because he knows there is who is there in the Nama. इत्यादि का नामा स्वरूपे प्रकामा बाडुका मोर रतिरागे
इत्यादि का नाम स्वरूप प्रकामा
बाडुका मोर
रतिरागे
रूप स्वरूप पादा जाने निज संपदा भक्ति विनधोरी मागे
रूप स्वरूप पद जाने निज संपद भक्ति विनोद धोरी मांगे.
क्या चल रहा है? Where are we? Krishna clean. Okay. Where are we, Prabhu? Krishna clean Stali. Mataji, where are we? Where are we?
Harinama.
Where are we, Mataji?
Harinam. In Harinam.
Harinam. The default answer बन गया अब. हाँ? You have to let the chain flow, Mataji. You cannot break it here, Mataji. How can I continue the flow now? Acharya Pada. Yes. Rupa Swarupa Pada Jani Nija Sampada Bhakati Vinadhori Mage.
Rupa Swarupa Pada Jani Nija Sampada Bhakati Vinoda Dhori Mage.
Harinama Tuva Aneka Swarupa
Harinama Tuva Aneka Swarupa
Harinama Tuva Aneka Swarupa
Harinama Tuva अनेक स्वरूपा
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Shake. We'll go to the shake.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
There's a lot happening to us. Did you see how many gopas are there? Did you see how each gopa was? Did you see how many cows were there? Did you see how each cow was feeding? Did you see the trees behind where Krishna and Balaram were running? They were looking back to their friends like that. That's reality. That's what is happening. Hare Krishna, Hare. For 3 days, what bhajan was happening? He was in the reality. Krishna is Satchit Ananda Swarupa. Who are we? We are the same. Satchit Ananda Swarupa. Then what should be our reality? Krishna. 3 days in bhajan, no coming out for bhojan. Body, they don't want any body disturbance. इसीलिए Raghunath Das goes from itna buttermilk. Just keep this body alive. So the bhajan, they can be in Krishna reality. They can be in Krishna time. You know what happens when the jiva is in Krishna time? Satchit Ananda Vigraha. There is no jada in jiva. There are no modes there. Sat and Chit and Ananda. So whatever every pebble of Vrindavan is feeling, what the cow is feeling, what the creeper is feeling, what the residents of Vrindavan are feeling, they are feeling for Krishna. A feeling, यहाँ का ये feeling है. There is Sthayi Baba. Sthayi Baba operates the whole time in bhajan. So for them, our calculation is 3 days. For them, it will be like whatever. ऐसे हो गया क्या? अभी मैंने भजन को बैठे. अभी हो गया. Our calculation is 3 days. But for them, Krishna is just gone. Just gone. I haven't even recovered. I haven't even recovered from that separation. Abhi, just gone to the forest. I was with Mother Yashoda. And I was looking at Mother Yashoda, how much separation she is feeling from her Lala. And she's sending on one dish after other. Maybe Krishna is still hungry. Maybe she forgot packing something for Krishna. ये सब देख के ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? These jivas are saying 3 days. But I'm with Yashoda Mai. She just only sent 3 dishes to Krishna. 3 days over. That's the Krishna reality. All that Krishna reality is in the Dhamma. Dhamma is in the Dhamma. And the Dhamma will make us Krishna lean. So we may be attracted to the greatest magnet, Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. सर्वनर्था नाशा सर्वशुभोदय कृष्णा प्रेमेरा उल्लासा नाम संकीर्तन होते सर्वनर्था नाशा सर्वशुभोदय कृष्णा
प्रेमेरा उल्लास.
Did we really struggle hard to get rid of the anarthas? To throw this mind away? To stop this foolish intelligence? We didn't struggle hard. ये अपने आप चुपचाप हो, चुप. Noise is all gone. Did we make any attempts? You look at you. Each one of you look at your faces. Did you make any attempt to look so bright and brilliant and joyful? Did you make any special efforts? Is this a fake smile? No. सर्वानर्धनाश सर्वो शुभोदय कृष्णेर प्रेम उल्लास. ये है संकीर्तन का मंत्र. Please try to get what all you got in 2 days. Try everything you want in the world to get rid of the anarthas, to bring that brilliance and the joy that you have on your face, and to float in the waves of Krishna. Feel free to go search with your mind and the greatest foolishness. Nama Sankirtana Haite
सर्वानर्था नाशा सर्वशुभोदय कृष्णा प्रेमेरा उल्लास.